haven't had a cocktail. Can we have other cocktails later on too?
Oh yeah.
I'll drop some money down.
We can do some cocktails for sure.
Yeah. Hey.
Welcome back.
Hey, we're back.
We, in case you missed it, in the previous episode, we cooked up some bomb tacos, and this time we're here to cook up a drink. Mix up a drink. Mix up a drink. We're gonna shake up a drink to go with those delicious tacos that we made earlier, those Radicchio Tacos. So now, what are we gonna do? We're gonna do spicy Mezcal Margaritas. Fucking margaritas, baby. These are gonna be delicious. What you're gonna need, pretty simple. Hopefully you have a couple of these items in the bar already. You'll probably have some limes in your house, hopefully. You're gonna need some good mezcal. All mezcal is good mezcal, pretty much, right?
No, there's
some shitty mezcals
definitely not true. But most mezcals that you can get, like the LCBO, they're like definitely some decent stuff for sure. It's like pretty expensive.
Yeah. I guess the LCBO only brings it. There's not many options for mezcal.
There's not many options, and generally most of the options are like pretty good options.
Yeah. So get yourself some good mezcal. It'll be a little expensive, but it's good. The smokiness.
Also,
really...
if you're making a cocktail, it doesn't matter as much.
Yeah.
Hence cocktail.
True. What?
Yeah, you're maxing with all the other things.
Yeah.
Right.
Then in that case, use it shitty mezcal.
You can use shitty mezcal for if you're making the margarita. If you're just sipping on it, though, you want
this, yeah. And if you're making it with our tacos from the test kitchen, from the vegan test kitchen, you're gonna want the good mezcal.
You want the good
mezcal.
Forget what I say. Get the good mezcal.
Yeah, get the good mezcal. Then you're gonna follow it up with some Grand Marnier, which is also good stuff. You're gonna need some agave, and you're gonna need some limes, and that's it. We're gonna use some chilies, give it a little kick, and we're gonna do the rim with Tajin. Yeah. So here we go. A couple of limes. You wanna squeeze those limes for me?
Oh yeah, baby. Wish I had this.
Let me come for
oh
me.
yeah. Wish I had these limes for the squeezer for the last video.
Nah, it was much more fun. You can't really fit the oranges in the squeezer either, so.
I want to get one of these bad boys. Make some nice juice with it.
Yeah. Pass me that the lime there, bro. Thank you, sir.
All right. Where am I?
We're gonna need 1 ounce of lime juice, fresh lime juice.
Okay, I'm squeezing.
Don't go doing that from concentrate.
No.
Garbage.
That'd be a sin. It wouldn't taste nearly as good. It tastes all artificial and chemically.
Exactly.
No.
So here we go.
Just squeeze it.
We're gonna hit it with some ice. 4 cubes in your shaker is good. Now we're gonna go 2 ounces of mezcal. The good mezcal.
The good stuff.
We're gonna go 1 ounce of Grand Marnier. We're gonna go, depending on how sweet you like it. I like it a little more sweet. Clay likes it a little bit less sweet. So we're gonna go in the middle. We're gonna go maybe 3/4 of an ounce.
You definitely need some element of sweet, though. Don't go no sweet.
And preferably agave.
Yes. Just use agave. Don't
Nothing else.
Don't use anything else.
Don't use corn syrup or anything. And we're gonna just do 1 small chili. If you don't like spicy, leave the seeds out. If you like spicy, leave the seeds in. We're gonna leave the seeds in because we like spicy.
We like spicy here in the test kitchen.
1 chili. Lime's good to go.
Lime's good to go.
And 1 ounce of lime. And that's the 1 ounce. We're good.
It's the 1 ounce. You know what? I'm just gonna add just a little bit more because it wasn't a full ounce. And I didn't. Oh,
sweet. There you go. Get that in your shaker.
Look at the form you got there, eh?
It's a good form, you know?
Oh, wow. Now, for the Tajin rim, are you doing a Tajin rim, or what?
Yes, we are. We're gonna get a.
Yeah, I could probably just use
give me
one of these bad boys here. Just
thank you.
Well.
You're gonna wanna get Tajin. Hopefully, you can find that somewhere around you. You know, it's pretty common.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna. I like a little half rim action. Yeah, because it gives you options. You know, you can take a sip with some. You can take a sip without some.
Exactly.
There you go.
You don't necessarily need the Tajin for every sip, but
exactly. And this one, because it's spicy, you're gonna want a little double strain action here.
Oh, so you don't want the
Yeah, you don't want the seeds in there. Get a nice big ice cube in there, right in the middle.
Beautiful.
Then we're gonna go in
Guys.
with the double strain.
Oh my god! Oh my god! It's getting me so excited about it.
Yeah, this is a pretty one.
Look at that. That's a fucking margarita.
Just to top that off, we're gonna get a little garnish action going.
What?
Yeah.
Say no more.
Yeah, a little garnish action with a little bit of lime.
Yo, you should be doing that over the drink, getting the mist in there, man. It's mixology.
Get the essence in there.
Yeah, all that.
Yeah, we're just gonna shape this up a little bit. Cut the sides off.
What is this skilled craftsman work you're engaging in?
Cut that on a nice angle.
Oh, check this out. You get these knife skills.
Yeah, you gotta get yourself a nice paring knife to do this.
For sure.
Can't do this with the set that, you know, you had it back in uni.
Proper Japanese steel here.
We're gonna add a chili on
steel,
there.
It's Japanese.
And we're just gonna do that up nice. We're gonna throw the chili on there.
Of course.
We'll throw the lime. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Gorgeous.
Nailed it.
Gorgeous.
R.I.P.
There we go.
That's it.
Spicy Mezcal Margarita to go with the Radicchio Tacos up here in the Vegan Test Kitchen. You're the guest. Do the honors. Get the sip in there.
Yeah. All right.
Oh,
Proper Tajin licking action here.
How's it taste? How's it taste?
Oh, baby, it tastes so good.
Delicious. Oh, it looks pretty too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's nice.
And share with you.
How's the spiciness?
Proper spice.
Yeah.
Proper spice. Exactly how I want it.
Yeah.
Let
me get a little taste. I got.
Oh shit! What? I thought it was the gas and all that stuff, you know. There you go.
Give me a little.
Restaurant trick. Boom, straw.
Oh yeah. That is.
It's got nice spice.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's a perfect amount of spice. That's nice.
Perfect amount of spice.
Oh my god, I love me some mezcal. Mezcal, ladies and gentlemen, at home, make your cocktails with it.
Yeah.
Thank you. Just another quick episode on the Vegan Test Kitchen.
Wow.
Itadakimasu. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.
Cheers.
Cheers.